Hi, I'm Isabelle. In this video, we'll be combining EFT tapping with I am affirmations on wealth and abundance instead of the regular wording. Let's get started. Taking full responsibility for your own well-being, tap where I tap and repeat after me. I am choosing wealth, and I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I am aligning with abundance, and I deeply and completely love, cherish, and accept myself. I am attracting more money into my life, and I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. I am allowing wealth. I am aligning with success. I am attracting prosperity. I am confident. I am optimistic. I am successful. I am filled with wisdom. I am aligned with knowledge. I am experiencing more clarity. I am healthy. I am productive. I am intelligent. I am allowing riches. I am aligned with passive income opportunities. I am choosing to double my income. I am affluent. I am fortunate. I am allowed to thrive. I am allowing myself to thrive. I am choosing to thrive. I am worthy. I am supported. I am good enough. I am building a success template. I am expanding my money blueprint. I am choosing financial security and freedom. I am loving. I am passionate. I am motivated. I am comfortable having money. I am good at money management. I am generating more wealth into my life. I am grateful. I am appreciative. I am deserving. I am aligned with financial security. I am choosing the financial freedom to be, do, and have what I want, when I want. I am generous. I am valued. I am prosperous. I am clearing any limitations and beliefs that may be in the way of my wealth and abundance. I am clearing them at a cellular level, I'm clearing them all the way back through my past. Including past lives. I am choosing wealth and abundance. In body, mind, emotions, and spirit. So be it. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. Enjoy the rest of your day. Please like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful.